8, I ran basketball. Kaya kaya 17 years old. I'm managing this earning of 14 years old. Michelle, 15 years old. I'm Kim Gainers, 10 years old.
So already is 15 years old.
I'm Giselle, 11 years old. The fighting style.
And they are the Elliot Angels.
Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
They're just showing you the elbow strike.
10, 11, 12,
12 elbow strike.
There are 13 12, elbow strikes. And now that is the
4,
bolo punches. If you don't have any arnis or
8,
bolo, you can use the part of your arms, the bottom fist, the back fist. Oh, that's
5,
the palm held strikes.
7, reverse. Ready, start. 1,
Now that is the knee strike.
4,
And we can use the knee strike mostly for short range.
1,
That is now the sweeping.
3, 4,
Therefore, sweeping techniques.
the
A round of applause, please.
5,